Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Trevor Burger Custom Urban here with me for a quick review. As usual, don't forget to like, to subscribe and to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this little guy. This is the newest addition to the Trevor Burger Custom Knives family. It comes with this certificate of authenticity. You can see some of the specs right over here. Here it is, nice and thin grind. This is a titanium frame lock. It has a pretty cool M390 steel blade. As you just saw, this thing is super snappy. It has the new internal skeletonization to reduce the weight. It comes with the stainless steel lock face insert screwed in from the outside. Nice Trevor Burger Custom engraved on the back. Hand rub satin is amazing, super thin behind the edge, nice and functional jimping. It has a new back spacer, new screws, new pocket clip, new everything. I mean, look at the T15 for the pivot screw. Yes, finally, that's amazing. T8 for the handle screws. It was about time. I really didn't like the T6 that they were doing before. You get a subtle anodization for the clip and the back spacer, which are matching almost with the bronze anodized screws and pivot collar. Look at that, nice little detail right there. This is a front flipper, and it's probably the snappiest front flipper I have ever experienced. And if you want to know how big this fella is, you know that the blade is like 3 inches, the handle is like 3.75, and overall this fella, when open, it's going to be 6.75 inches. So it's a very small knife. This much is going to be sticking out from your pocket, and let's also quickly check how much this guy is going to be waiting in your pocket. It's pretty cool. You're gonna look at 2.48 ounces, so you are in the pretty good to go. Strong, decent, crispy. There's no guillotine effect. You just gotta have to wiggle a little bit this fella to get it close in the close position. Usually I'm able to front flip these knives, you know, with my index, but in this case this detent is so strong that I gotta use my thumb. But look at the speed, this is crazy. Of course, this runs on bearings. M390 hand rub satin blade. This guy is like 61 on the Rockwell hardness scale. It's very well made. It's not perfect, but still, it's a solid contender for the best EDC ever, because light, because the look, because the functionality, the material. It's a very cool one. So there you have it, guys. If you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.